Today we've got two iPhones side by side, an iPhone 13 and the latest iPhone 15. In this video, I'll be testing and comparing the speed of the brand new iOS 26 against the older iOS 18.7. You'll see exactly how the new operating system performs in real time. And don't worry, we'll be back on track with our usual content in the next video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix. In my left hand, you can see the iPhone 15, and in my right hand, the iPhone 13. The iPhone 15 has already been upgraded to iOS 26, while the iPhone 13 is still running on iOS 18.7. Now, I'll switch on both devices at the same time to compare the boot up speed. The video hasn't been sped up, so you'll get the real idea of how each system performs. You can see that the iPhone 13, running iOS 18.7, actually booted up first, and only a moment later, the iPhone 15 with iOS 26 completed its startup. The important thing here is that even though the iPhone 13 has lower performance compared to the iPhone 15, its speed and reliability are still incredible. Since this is not a full mobile phone review, I won't be going through every single feature comparison between iOS 26 and iOS 18.7. Instead, I'll give you a quick tour to share how the new system looks and feels compared to the older one. From my personal experience, I can honestly say there isn't a big difference in speed or battery life after upgrading to iOS 26. Just like fuel consumption in a vehicle changes slightly with or without air conditioning, performance really depends on the phone you're using. By the way, it's completely up to you whether you upgrade to iOS 26 now or wait for future updates to fix potential bugs. From my experience, I haven't faced any issues so far. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.